For thousands of years, we've known just how powerful spending time in nature can be, how healing it can be, how important it is for us being able to get in sync with our natural rhythms. But it's only more recently that we've started to discover exactly how good nature is at getting us re-regulated, from lowering blood pressure to improving heart health, improving brain functioning, digestion, and maybe most of all, improving the quality of our sleep. Nature is a very, very powerful medicine that's just outside your door. I'm a strong advocate of you spending as much time in nature as possible to be able to help you get your natural rhythms back in sync. This site provides you with some other resources that you can use to take brief excursions into nature so that you can experience the power of natural medicine directly. Thanks so much for checking in. Bye-bye.